How to fix this device cannot be used for ReadyBoost. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and in this video I will show you how to fix the error. This device cannot be used for ReadyBoost whenever you are trying to speed up your Windows PC using a USB drive. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. The first fix is to format the USB properly. Step 1. Plug it into your USB drive. Once you plug and right click on it, then there you'll find an option as select format. Then change the file system to NTFS or EXFAT. Then check quick format, click start. And check if that works out for you or not. If not, the second fix is to check your drive speed. Windows test the read-write speed of your USB. If it is too slow, ReadyBoost does not work. For the better result, you can use USB 3.0 drive. So for that, you can try to switch ports or use a faster USB stick. And if that still does not help you, fix number 3 is to check for free space. ReadyBoost needs at least 256 MB of free space. If you don't have that space, you can delete some of the unnecessary files from your USB before you try again and check if that works out for you. If that still does not work out for you, then you have to enable SysMain, that is Superfetch. Sometimes a Windows services needs to be running. So to check that, you have to press your Windows and R key in your keyboard, and on this run command, you have to type in services.msc, click on OK. So here you have to search for SysMain or Superfetch. Click on any one of the file, go to S, and here search for SysMain, or if you're using older version, search for Superfetch. So once you see this running, right click on it, go to the properties, and here you have to set it to automatic on the startup, then click on start, then click on apply, click on OK, and that will help you fix your problem. If that still does not help you, then you have to go to the device manager, click on the search icon, and in the search bar, search for device manager. So once you're here, you have to expand your disk driver. Right click on it on your USB drive, go to the properties, and here head towards the policy tab. And if you can find an option as a quick removal, you have to click on OK. Then you have to try ReadyBoost again and check if that works out for you or not. So these are some of the fixes that will help you solve your problem. That's all for today's video. If this video helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for another video.